Looking for a home, need someone who cares. Tijuana's the realtor who's always there.
Hello everyone. We are back. We're actually going to be touring the Hamilton model built by Eastwood Homes in Harmony subdivision located in Harrisburg, North Carolina. All right, are y'all ready? Let's go. Here we stand in the doorway of the Hamilton home. Please excuse the lighting. The house is still being completed. But as soon as you walk in, you have an office, very similar to the Charleston model. On the opposite side is the drop zone, and I absolutely love how they have the built-in cubbies on the side. I've never seen that before. And this, of course, is the entrance to the garage. Then you have your formal dining room, deep tray ceiling, the wainscoting, LVP flooring throughout. You have a powder room, which I absolutely love for your guests. And then here, you have your family room. I love all of the extra windows and how it overlooks into the backyard and that screened-in porch area. You have a very nice sized kitchen with all of these cabinets and counter space, center island. This is where your refrigerator would go. You have a butler's pantry. And you have a very nice walk-in pantry. Okay, so this home actually is 3,846 square feet. Again, this is the Hamilton home. And we are going to go in this room here, which is a guest suite on the main level. Very desired feature. Has its own bathroom, which is very nice. We are going on the second level. This house has 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. It is available right now for purchase. As soon as you come up on the second floor, you have another bedroom. All of these bedrooms have walk-in closets, which I absolutely love. Here is a secondary bathroom. Here's another bedroom. Great size bedroom. Well, this isn't necessarily a walk-in closet, but it is definitely a nice size closet. Here is the laundry room. Good size laundry. Has cabinets in here already. And then here is the primary bedroom and bath. You have closet number 1. Nice walk-in. You have your carpet ceilings here. This will definitely accommodate a king-size bedroom. You have a separate soak-in tub which is surrounded with tile. You have an oversized shower. And then you have your dual sinks. Closet number 2 is inside the bathroom. Then you have your private water closet. On the second level, towards the front of this particular home, you have this wonderful flex space. You can utilize this space however you like. It is huge. This right here can be an office setup. And then behind me can be actually a man cave, a movie room, a play area, whatever. I mean, it's so many things that you can do with this space here. Okay, we're gonna go back. This floor plan has a third level. You have a linen closet here. So now we're gonna go upstairs to that third level. Very beautiful home. This third level offers another bedroom up here, private bedroom. This is great for a teenager or whoever just wants to get away from the family and kind of be secluded. This is definitely the space. All right, guys, we have just toured the Hamilton model, again, built by Eastwood Homes and the Harmony community. The Harmony community has homeowners association dues of $100 per month. And those dues cover, of course, the common areas. It covers the pool. It covers a playground for the children. And are there any other amenities that she mentioned? No, right? Okay. But overall, beautiful, beautiful, quiet community, beautiful homes, upscale homes. This particular Hamilton is offered at $782,000, and it is available now. So if you're interested in this home, please give me a call back, 704-777-1793. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, let us know.